Hey, how's it going everyone? Lee Stallard from Soldo here. Just giving you a quick heads up on a new feature that we're rolling out at the moment called 3DS. And this is an extension to strong customer authentication. And what it means is that when you're spending money online, you'll start to be prompted to verify your identity as part of that process. Now, it shouldn't add a huge amount of time to the payment process, but it will do a lot to make sure that your money is safer. What will happen is you'll be sent a notification to the Soldo app or sent a text message with a code on it, and then you'll enter that information into the buying process on the website that you're on. Now, it won't be for every retailer, it's only for merchants that have opted into it, but it is worth knowing that this is going on. Now, we're rolling this out progressively over the next couple of months to yourselves and to your clients, and we'll email you all to let you know. So it's not on your shoulders to communicate this out to clients, but it is worth knowing in case you want to be on the front foot and be proactive with it. Now, in the email, there'll be lots of information about what to do. Essentially, all you need to do is just make sure your phone numbers are up to date in Soldo and make sure clients have done the same. There's also an FAQ that I've linked to just down below in the comments. And of course, if you want to know any more, you can give me a shout directly. Hope that's useful. Any questions, let me know and I'll see you soon.